Kesana tatapang lukaku, keringgang dapatku, keluguran dekakasi, biasa ng mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitmu, keluguran dekaoy kamu. Kailangan pinabigyan na pamimiso, nung malyari mo pinakita na kapiso, ni kaya nagmamalyari, adwa ka namang may sabi, yung kaluguran na kapilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, yung puso ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may di, hindi nanas ko, kakadyo panayati, yung balo mo mo sana, o nagawang kuli, ay nisabihan ko na, kaluguran na kasi, nung may pulong mahut, lalo kung malasakit, basta ikasaya ka, alam ka malasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, apalamdaman ko, di ako wari malamdaman ko, tama din ko, bataminan ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alala ko, nagwanan ang pagpahol ko. Eto sana tatapang lukaku, keringgang dapatku, kaluguran dekakasi, biasa ng mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, keluguran dekaoy kamu.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita, kaluguran na ka at yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayokong masaktan, ayokong mabalisa, mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa karkabladong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan, hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mampraning, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising, ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masaktan, ayoko umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alala ko.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, keringgang dapatku, kaluguran dekakasi, biasa ng mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, keluguran dekaoy kamu.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in LOVEDT, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's out, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, explore the studio like I'm out there. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tune and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of being unmarried, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, keringgang dapatku, kaluguran dekakasi, biasa ng mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, keluguran dekaoy kamu.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi, mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang pagkat